Muling pinabulaanan ni Attorney Ferdinand Topacio ang panibagong pahayag ni Pamplona Mayor Janice Degamo na gusto umanong magpalipat ng kulungan ni dating Congressman Arnolfo Teves Jr. Sa kanyang social media account, sinabi ni Mayor Degamo na nag-request umano si Teves na madala mula sa Becora Prison sa Timor-Leste sa home detention habang dinidesisyonan pa ng korte ang kanyang
Alam mo, itong si Degamo, masyado itong nagmamagaling. Maintindihan ko pa kung sa Pilipinas mo sabihin yan yung nalaman namin na ni-request sa DOJ kasi kakampi mo DOJ. Pwede pa yun. Pero yung sa Timor-Leste, alam mo ba ang gobyerno ng Timor-Leste naiinis sa mga opisyal ng Pilipinas? Kaya nga yung isang NBI doon na nagpunta, tablado Kasi tandaan mo, Timor-Leste is a sovereign country. Itong mga opisyal natin, masyadong nagmamagaling. Masyadong nagmamarunong na as if alam nila yung mga nangyayari sa Timor-Leste. Baligtarin yung sitwasyon. Kunwari, merong kriminal na hindi siya kriminal, sorry. Merong inaakusahan dito na taga Timor-Leste, tas ikinulong natin. Tas kung ano-anong statement ang binibigay ng Timor-Leste na as if pinababayaan natin yung trabaho natin dito. Di ba maiinis kayo? Tama, mali. Ganun ang nararamdaman ng Timor-Leste. Etong mga opisyal na nagmamagaling na to, DOJ, NBI, etong si Mayor Degamo na nagmamagaling, na gusto lang naman talagang, alam mo bakit yan? In need of legislation yan Kasi malapit na eleksyon kaya nag-iepal-epal na naman yan Yung mamaliitin mo yung ibang bansa na as if alam mo lahat at ikaw ang nakakaalam ng mga nangyayari doon. Ano ka? Sino ka? Sabi pa nga nito, di ba, parang nagmagaling na gusto atang dalawin si Teves. Sabi ng Timor-Leste, only authorized by our government and Teves ang pwedeng pumunta dito. Di ba? Pahiya nga ito nagmagaling ito nun
extradition case. Subalit ayon naman kay Atty. Topacio, ang pagiging biktima ni Degamo ay hindi nagbibigay pahintulot sa kanya na magsinungaling at mandaya. Binigyan diin pa nito na fake news ang sinasabi ng byuda ni Governor Roel Degamo.
Fake news talaga yan. Bigyan natin ng isang malupit na palakpakan para sa fake news na si Mayor Degamo. Sa bagay, mahilig nga naman. Kasi matagal na yan matagal na yan bida-bida si Mayor Degamo. Wala tayong magawa, talagang bida-bida yan. Kaya nga, Madam Mayor Degamo, pag nagsalita ka, kasi alam na namin na fake news ka alam na ng taong bayan na fake news ka. Ilang beses ka na nagpakalat ng fake news, alam na ng taong bayan yun. So next time, pag nagsalita ka, magpakita ka ng ebidensya, hindi yung puro salita dahil wala na naniniwala sa'yo. Wala nang hindi na talaga na paniwala man sa'yo. Sabi, 2 araw na lang iuwi si Teves. Saan na? Day nga kaday ha? Wag mo kasi pinangungunahan ng Timor-Leste. For the knowledge of Timor-Leste government. Timor-Leste. Okay, kasi para daw maintindihan nila, Englishin ko Ayun, baka lalo hindi nila maintindihan Timor-Leste, you know what? I just want to say sorry in behalf of our government because our government is so Jollibee. You know Jollibee? Bida-bida. Bida-bida means feeling they know it all. That's how our government is. Now they are accusing that Teves wants to be transferred. In the first place, Teves has no power over Timor-Leste. Second place, before this mayor said that the government of Timor-Leste will bring back Teves in the third day. After second day, it will be the third day. So, that mayor, our mayor, said, you will bring Tebes back in our country after 2 days. That was long time ago. Until now, it is not possible. Until now, Tebes is still in your place. Please do not. With all due respect, with all due courtesy and respect, please do not allow our government to mingle with your justice system. Because our government is too politicized. It is too filtration. It only means that our government now is not performing very, very well. Our government now is persecuting the past administration that includes those who supported the past administration. And that includes our Congressman Tebes. Therefore, do not allow our government to interfere with your justice system. Height? Anong height? Yeah, ano, di ba? Height? Height? So, Timor-Leste, just stick with your justice system, stick with the truth, and do not allow those politicians that are persecuted by our government to return back here, because they will not receive the right justice because of what is happening to our country. Because in 2028, there will be another election for the presidency. And the daughter of our past president will be running. And it is so popular that this government, which is against our past government, is doing their best to discredit the next president of our land. Therefore, do not, with all respect, do not allow that to happen, because Timor-Leste, you are our hope. Pwede? Pwede na ba ako? Ha? Can I be the next Senate President? Huh? Oh, sabi dito, please secure Kong Tebes at your custody because Mr. Tebes arrived here. If possible, he may be killed in the name of politics.